Okay. Hey, Mom. So you go into Google Docs. Just click a blank one. And where you're going to go is up to this tab. So normally when you create a new one, it will say that, like private, um, only to me. So you click on that share. Oh, and then you can just, I don't know what you're going to name it, but we'll just do a, okay. So then this is where you can enter the email addresses. So I could enter yours or whoever you want to add. And then you want to make sure that this is on. So can edit is on. So you can add a note. This is what's going to send that email. So you can just add a note and say, oh, this is going to be where we're going to work on your rough draft for this. Okay. So after you've written something, you click send, and that will come to you, or that will go to the person that you shared it with. The other place that you can do it is just right here. So I would put, again, you kind of have to share this, or you got to change this to edit, but you can go ahead and copy this, and you can send it in your little chat window. You know, if I bring up my classroom, I can put it right in my chat and send it to the kid that way, so they don't have to necessarily go into their email. Again, it's totally up to you. But those are the two different ways. So I'll go over it one more time. So you go in there, you can click that. If you get the, here, whoopsie. Here, let me just go and we'll do a new blank document. Okay, so you go in here, you go up to that share button, another blank. Okay, and then again, you can enter the names, add your note, or you can do this get shareable link. So just know, if you click to get shareable link, it's not gonna